Well, hey guys, how's everybody doing? Hope you're all well. I've got an unboxing here. Probably read the title and seen that. Dang, I got it taped good, that's for sure. Don't seem like it's gonna cut down through here somewhere, I hope. Maybe, maybe not. I probably should have figured that out before we started videoing, I guess. Maybe there. There seems to be a seam we can follow. And they do have it taped good. But we got a saw here that I don't have one of in this series, or chassis, which is supposedly a 257, or the 257 in the images. That 254, 257, 262 XP. I think the 254 was an XP anyway, but I don't really get carried away with that whole XP. There's some saws that were labeled XP probably shouldn't have been, and some saws that wasn't labeled XP that should have been, I guess, so I'm getting at. I'm gonna stand up and make sure I still got all this in frame after moving it. I'm sure we'll have to move camera positions. That doesn't look bad. Hopefully I've not got the top of my bald head in frame anywhere. If I did, whatever. Ain't had any videos up. Reason behind that, been busy doing other things not saw related that I'd rather not be doing that had to be done. We'll just leave it at that. If you follow the other channel or know me personally, you'll know what I've been into. And if you haven't followed the other channel, it's mainly the stuff that I post on here normally that's not chainsaw related. It is simply J&S video. I can put a link to it in the description if you're interested in following. Like I have it wrapped really good in some bubble wrap. Good, my packaging material supplies were getting low. And honestly, we do need to sell some saws and we need packaging material. Got us a big old ball of bubble wrap, maybe. I hope there's a chainsaw in here. First one I've ever got done that way, I think. And I've bought a lot of old saws off of eBay. Got a good deal on this one. I really did not need another saw at all. You guys know I'm like saw poor. Hell, there's $20 worth of bubble wrap on this thing. I packaged good, but daggone, that one's, they went above and beyond. A+ on that. And anyone on here that's bought a saw off of me says it was packaged good, or that I've shipped the saw back to. We got Joe his 660 shipped out that he bought off of me, the black one. That was a nasty saw. Hated to see it go, but you know, if someone get it and enjoy it, we'll let them go with that expense. And Robert, we got his 660 shipped out, although I don't think it's supposed to make it back to Oregon from Virginia till maybe the end of the week. And I'm sure I just pulled that thing out of frame. I'm tired of unwrapping. So far, so good, guys. I think it was missing the clutch cover. It's about impossible to find a clutch cover to fit one of these. So I ordered a 55 clutch cover. I know it is possible to make those work. You just kind of have to modify them a little. Alright, guys. The first thing I'm seeing is the handle inserts are missing, and they've just got some, I don't know, some kind of foam or something pushed back in there, and electrical tape all over it. we can do something about that. To my understanding, you can actually put a 55 handle on these. Other than that, and the clutch cover missing, it don't look half bad, but it looks like I'm gonna have to put a rope in it and a handle, which I don't know where I'd find one of those around here to get this thing up and functional. Let's see what it feels like as far as compression. That'll run. I about guarantee that'll run. You don't feel like it's monster compression, but feels like stock compression. Let me get this workbench cleaned off and I'll see if I can round up something to get this cover off. And we'll see about getting a rope in that. And they said it didn't run, but you know, the starter rope's missing, so I'm assuming they couldn't try to start it. But we'll look into that and bring you guys back. Alright guys, so all the screws in that thing were loose, so someone's had it off. And what's funny is this is a different color than the rest of the saw. I've not looked at the tag on it. I guess we need to do that. Okay guys, so it is a Husqvarna 357, model number 4340564, made in Sweden. Maybe you guys can see it that way. I don't really want to take the camera off of the tripod, but not sure what year that would make it, but somebody's already been into this cover anyway. So yeah, it's hard to tell them what we're going to find. But I didn't give a lot for the saw, shipping included. I could get my money back out of it easily if there's something I don't like and we need to just move it on as a parts unit or something. But already I hate that. We'll have to figure something out there. I doubt you could get those, but who knows? I don't know. Know nothing about this chassis. It's the only one I've ever had my hands on. I've heard the 262s, once done upright, are just a wicked saw. I don't know. Could be just one of them saws people blow a lot of smoke about as well. Well guys, sadly I guess we're gonna have to wrap it up. You can see there's no spring in the starter housing. I don't have one here. It looks just like a common spring that about any Husky starter housing would use. I do see that it has a top cover bolt missing back here. That's fine. I'm sure we've got some of those laying around. Looks like it had done been trying to get the other out and had stripped it out, because it looks like something's been on it and stripping it. I just don't care for the looks of that at all. We'll have to do something there. If I can't find new ones to go in it, I'm sure that I can make something that looks a lot better than that. And if anyone has an actual clutch cover, I could care less if it has the chain brake stuff. Let me know. But I do have a new one coming for a 55, and to my understanding it will work. Just it's got to be modified. We don't care to modify things here at all. I know there'll be a lot of people want to know if I want to get rid of this. Not at the moment, because I don't have anything in this chassis. It looks like we're complete. That's mainly what I wanted to see. Does look like it's still got an OE cylinder. Everything looks good. Other than the recoil cover and the clutch cover. Anyway guys, if this is a build you're interested in, I'll put it in its own playlist. We'll rotate back around it once I get some parts. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Everybody have a great day.